Shiba Inu Coin is on an absolute roll this morning. Guys, we're retesting the resistance levels around 3,000 points per coin, and it could only get better from here. Now, of course, we've got support levels now around that 2,500 point per coin level, and as you guys can see, I mean, just take a look at the graph really quick. You can see when it breaks through that 2,500, it goes to the next level of resistance, and it wants to touch it. It wants to test it, and that's why we ran from 25 to 3,000 points so quickly. And we've got some great things ahead of us if we break that 3,000 point per coin level. We'll talk about some of the reasons why we might be moving higher right now and how much higher we can go if the upside continues for Shiba Inu Coin. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2022 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. And look, if you're brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you got a link for Webull in the description. Super simple to set up your account. Any deposit gets you guys at least 5 free stocks, and then any $1 crypto trade gets you your choice, $5 in free crypto. And then if you guys want crypto exclusive exchanges, of course, you have those down there, each with their own rewards. But oh my gosh, guys, the excitement is returning. Shiba Inu Coin is looking alive once again. We had a breakout last night into this morning, and it is continuing. We haven't seen any pullbacks yet, although, okay, we do have to keep our eye on this 3,000 point per coin level. It is excellent that Shiba Inu Coin is moving higher, but we have to respect the resistance lines. There are still traders out there. There are still people buying and selling Shiba Inu Coin, and as they reach these support and resistance levels, they use them. And that's exactly what we could be seeing here at that 3,000 point per coin level for Shiba, is that people may sell off a little bit. Not the diamond hand holders, not these people in the Shiba army, but the traders out there that are taking advantage of short-term gains. But let's start with looking at some of the other resistance lines, just so we know how far Shiba Inu Coin can go, and then we'll talk about some of the reasons we may be seeing this run right now. So Shiba Inu Coin is if it breaks through this 3,000 point per coin level, very significant there. We could absolutely see a run to about 3,300. There's a slight level of resistance in there to 3,500 is where the major level of resistance is. 3,500 points per coin is going to be a very significant level. It's the level we touched back in May when Shiba Inu Coin ran up. It's the level we had trouble at back in October when it started to run up, and we've tested it a couple times since then on its way back down. And of course, I believe it was just a couple of weeks ago when Shiba started to go on a run, we had a little resistance in that 3,500 point per coin level. Beyond that, guys, we don't have a ton of resistance, but Shiba Inu Coin could experience some levels around every 500 points per coin. So you're looking at 35, 4,000, 45, 5,000, and so on. This can be good, and it can be difficult. Let's just talk about why very briefly. As it goes up, it can experience more and more and more resistance. Now, before, when it was running back in October and it broke that 3,500 point per coin level, there was nothing on the chart. Nothing to stop Shiba Inu Coin from moving higher, and it just blasted off to 8,800 points per coin. Now, because it came down so slowly and stair-stepped its way down, because when Shiba was falling, it kind of stair-stepped its way down, it set up a lot of support levels, and those support levels are now resistance levels. So these have pros and cons. As we move higher, we will test more levels of resistance, and it could be a little bit more difficult to break through. But if we break through, we have proven levels of support at this point. So 3,000 could become support. 3,500 can become support. 4,000 can become support. And as we have that support on the way up, think about it like you're literally taking a stair step to the second level. You take a step up, you can rest if you want. You can chill out if you want. You don't have to worry about falling back down as far because Shiba Inu Coin has those support levels now. So that would be the pros and cons. Might be a little bit more difficult to move up, but it should be a little bit more difficult to fall back down as well. So look at it that way. Let's talk about briefly some of the reasons why Shiba Inu Coin might be rolling higher today. If you guys want a little bit more detail, you can go check out the video I did yesterday talking about April catalysts. April might be coming a little bit early as of right now. Pretty sure it's still March. We're not into the month of April yet, but we might be seeing some of these catalysts, you know, try and take Shiba Inu Coin to the next level. The three that we talked about were search volume, price action, and the Ethereum Merge. So I'm briefly going to cover those really quick. If you guys want to go more and get more detail, like I say, watch that video. It's April Catalyst. It's got April on the thumbnail. But the search volume. We've got increasing search volume as per Google Analytics. You can go out there, and I talked about it in I guess more numbers like 11 and 14 and stuff. It was yesterday. But with Shiba Inu Coin search volume being at 11, it was one of the lowest of the lows that we have seen since October. And just as of yesterday, it was sitting at 14. You might be thinking, oh my gosh, that's not a huge increase. Well, it's roughly a 30 to 40% increase in the search volume just from the prior week. That's a big deal. Now, the next thing we talked about was the price action. When Shiba Inu Coin ran up in May, it did so, and then it fell back off to about 500 points per coin and steadied out for 5 months. Shiba Inu Coin ran up in October, steadied out. Now we're reaching this April is going to be the 5-month mark, and we could see another run up because of repeating price action. I'm not a huge pattern guy. I'm not a huge guy that thinks that, you know, everything needs to repeat itself. But if it does what it did in the past, we could absolutely see Shiba Inu Coin moving higher because of the price action. And finally, one of the things that I think is going to be the biggest catalyst for Shiba Inu Coin is the Ethereum Merge. If you guys aren't too familiar with what that is, it's going to be transitioning, Ethereum's going to be transitioning from proof of work to proof of stake. And I talk a little bit more about proof of work and proof of stake in the other video, so you guys can see it there. But basically, it makes Ethereum bigger, faster, stronger, more, even cheaper to use. Gas fees are one of the biggest hindrances of Ethereum and Ethereum tokens like Shiba Inu Coin right now. And if we see a reduction in gas fees, we could absolutely see an increase in demand. So all of these things combining together could create this perfect storm of catalysts to take Shiba Inu Coin to all-time highs. And hey, with the action we're seeing today, it might happen sooner rather than later. I'm excited. I want to know if you guys are excited. Get the Shiba Army hashtags down in the comments below. Share the video. Guys, this is where it starts. This is where it begins. You getting somebody excited about Shiba Inu Coin, getting them into it and saying, yes, this coin can absolutely set your future up. So share this with one of your friends and let us know what you guys think down in the comments below. If this button right here is still red, make sure to click it, subscribe to the channel, join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. ClayBro883 on Twitter and Instagram. Webull, Binance, Gemini, Crypto.com. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.